Alright, Bryant plus 80 customers saying they're smelling a burning smell coming through the return, so has to be something going on with the board or the motor. We have the 12 code. 1, 1, 2. So the blower should be going, so let's check to see if we got power. Power coming out. So we'll check the heating leg and common to the blower. We have nothing. Let's move this actually to the blower. Making good contact with the blower and the heat speed. Nothing. Most likely have a bad conversion board here. It's not sending out the power. So I'm going to take the board off and we're going to look at the back of it. Alright, so we got the board out. Can't see any signs. You know, sometimes I see like a burn mark back here, but the relay is definitely not sending the power to the motor. I ohmed out the winding. It looks pretty good. So we're going to replace that board and should get that motor to start spinning. Okay, we got the new board started, low voltage in it, transformer lead, old board's there, so let's get this guy up in there, get it all anchored in. Alright, we got it all in, installed, all high voltage motor, neutrals, all the low voltage is together, so let's start this thing up, see what happens. Yep, bad board. Another easy service call. About to fire it.